E hoki maira, kia kite atu I tō iwi e. E rota rota ana, e kata kata ana maira. Pukana whetero mai, I te ihi ao mātua. Kia kite atu anō, I tō atahua ai kana pana. Kia ora te iwi. Don't forget this Wednesday, 6 a.m. I'm drawing the winner of the Kāpioioi competition. Who can guess the reference to the 1970s sitcom in the show? Heaps of you have replied, and so I'm going to draw that this Wednesday, and that's a kōrero and a cup of coffee between you and I, maybe a whip up a waiata. So that draws this Wednesday. And thank you everyone for subscribing to my YouTube, which is, I've had a massive increase and I've almost reached that target, so I think by Wednesday I will be there. Really appreciate the tautoko everyone. Look forward to the Wednesday draw. Che te iwi. Woohoo. Ake ake. Wenda home. Tēnō pai.